Hey, this is Jaden down at Cross Country Power Sports in Metuchen, New Jersey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to flush out a Sea-Doo. If you don't already know, we keep flush kits in stock. Sometimes they look like this. Other times you're going to notice it'll have an attachment like this on the more expensive models. It pops right on. You always want to make sure that the ski is on before you turn on the water. If the water's on before the ski, you're going to flood your engine and you're going to risk having to buy a new one. You never want the ski on for more than 15 seconds without turning on the water. This is the only way that the Sea-Doo is going to cool itself. You want to let this run for about a minute. Turn off the water while the machine is still running. And cut the power to the machine once you're sure that the water is completely off.